Just what we needed. Innovation in box design. Did you guys know that QiYi makes 3x3s? So QiYi hasn't come out with a flagship 3x3 since the Valk Power 2 years ago. And at first I thought it was kind of weird they were making this ThunderClap V3, but since this is only $10, it only needs to be better than the Kylan V2, which is the best cube for $10 in my opinion. So my hands are a little cold right now because the short Canadian summer has ended, but I'm going to be making up my mind on this more definitively later after doing some solves. So far, I don't like it that much, and the reason is because it feels a lot like a Valk Power. It has that characteristic elastic turning feel of the Valk Power where the layers and pieces seem to be able to be a little bit more flexible, which can be a good thing, but in this case, I feel like it makes the cube a little bit too unstable. The way that I feel it's working is that there's a lot of friction on the layers, but sometimes because it's like coming off the layer, there's far less friction than usual. So I keep undershooting or overshooting. That's probably not what it actually is, but it's just what it feels like. And mid-turns, it always feels like I'm putting the cube into really unstable positions where it doesn't feel like holding a cube is normal to me anymore, even though this is like all I do. One of these is the Valk Power and the other is the ThunderClap V3. And here's the edge pieces of each of them, and here's the corner pieces. All right, corner cutting. Let's try 45 degrees. Oh no. That's a very difficult 45 degrees, even on the good layers. Let's go a little more than that. And okay, not even on the good layers. And now reverse corner cutting. Okay, let's go further. Yeah, can't do there. So it's pretty average just going up to the spot. So good news, I used the ThunderClap V3 on some solves and my first solve was a 6, which was really good. And then I just kept getting 6s over and over and over. Just kidding. I average 8 normally, I average 10 on this cube. I really don't like it at all. It feels so much like the Valk Power and the MGC V2, and I checked the box. This cube doesn't come with anything besides the cube itself, so you cannot change the springs unless you have your own other springs. And I just kind of feel like if QiYi wants to catch up to Moyu and Gan in 3x3s, then they need something more customizable than this. Because I feel like with the number of options we have today for 3x3s, more and more people are complaining that 3x3 hardware isn't good when the same cubes they really loved 2 years ago. And that's the thing, our cubes haven't changed that much in 2 years besides customization. So if people in general are less happy about the cubes, it makes sense to go the customization route if you can't actually make your cube just better than all the other cubes at once. And that's kind of like what QiYi did with the Valk. It was really good when it came out, but that was 3 years ago. And the Valk Power and the ThunderClap V3 feel like edits of the Valk, but not in a really good way. I also tried tightening the screws a little bit to help with stability, but that just made it worse because the corner cutting got even worse. And when I tried loosening it to make better corner cutting, then the cube just got really unstable. So to me, it seems like the ThunderClap V3 would perfectly suit you if 1, you really like the Valk Power and you've tried it, but you don't own it. And 2, the Valk Power is too expensive for you. And I think it would not be good for one-handed either because you typically want cubes that are more stable and flex less. So if you're looking for a cube at $10 max, I really recommend the Yushin Kylan V2M or the Yulong for $8, which is what some people recommend, although I don't quite like it as much. For $15, there's also the MF3RS3, and in this price range, that's pretty much the best magnetic cubes you'll get. I suspect with some customization, I can make this a little better, but the Kylan was great out of the box. I really can't see the ThunderClap being better, considering I already like the Valk Power much better than this, and I've been trying to make that cube really good for a long time and could just never do it. This cube was just not very fun to turn, and I don't recommend it. So thanks for watching. I have reviews of the other cubes that I mentioned as well, so if you want to watch those, check the description. See you guys next time.